Lowest priced Wildwood Crest duplex by a mile. Excellent investment opportunity. Live in one, rent the other. Or, rent both units for maximum income. Rear unit, currently vacant, features 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, laundry room with full-size washer and dryer, living room, kitchen, outdoor patio for grilling. Rear unit also has just been freshly painted throughout, had brand new vinyl flooring and new kitchen backsplash installed, as well as newer kitchen cabinets. Front unit features 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and has had same tenant since 2011. Short walk to Sunset Lake. Being sold as is. Rear unit last rented for $1,000/mo. Front unit rents for $900 per mo. Tenant pays gas.